How to disassemble secret lab chair. Have you ever wondered how to take apart a secret lab chair? Wonder no more, because today we'll be looking at how to disassemble secret lab chair. What is a secret lab chair? A secret lab chair is a chair that is specially designed for gaming. Why should you disassemble a secret lab gaming chair? The Secret Lab team recommends disassembling your gaming chair at least once a year for deep cleaning. Things you'll need: Secret Lab gaming chair. How to disassemble Secret Lab chair step-by-step guide. Step 1. Disconnect the power cord. This will ensure that you don't accidentally electrocute yourself while working on the chair. Step 2. Remove the caster wheels. Finally, use a flathead screwdriver to pry these clips and pull the wheels out of their sockets. Step 3. Remove the seat cover. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry up the strip at the front of the seat, and then pull the seat cover off. Step 4. Remove the foam padding. Locate the 4 screws that hold the upholstered backrest to the frame of the Secret Lab chair. Step 5. Remove the seat cover. The seat of the Secret Lab chair is upholstered in the same manner as the backrest. Step 6. Unscrew the gas cylinder. The gas cylinder is the long metal rod that connects the base of the chair to the backrest. Step 7. Remove the seat base. Remove the 4 bolts that hold the seat base to the chair frame. Step 8. Remove the armrests. Remove the 2 bolts that hold each armrest to the chair. Step 9. Take off the backrest. First, unscrew the 4 bolts at the top of the backrest using a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 10. Vacuum all pieces. To make sure your area is clean, use a brush attachment on your vacuum to go over all of the pieces of your chair. Step 11. Wipe down all pieces. By following these simple steps, you can clean and maintain your chair, ensuring that it lasts for years to come. How do you disassemble a Secret Lab chair base? You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Unscrew the 5 screws on the underside of the base plate using your Phillips head screwdriver. Carefully remove the black plastic cover from the base plate. Unscrew the 5 screws holding the motor in place. Carefully remove the motor from the base plate. How do you lift a Secret Lab chair? Lifting a Secret Lab chair requires proper technique to ensure safety and prevent injury. Secret Lab chairs are heavy and can weigh up to 77 pounds, so it is important to use proper lifting techniques to avoid injury. Is it easy to assemble Secret Lab chair? Fortunately, assembling a Secret Lab chair is relatively straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. How do you assemble the Secret Lab Omega chair? Your Secret Lab Omega chair is fully assembled and ready to be used. The secret to disassembling the lab chair is a simple process once you know how it goes together.